Pan-African University call for applications. Let's look at the instructions on how to apply and who can apply. Before we proceed, please do join our community for masters and PhD applicants. The link is there in the video description. Now let's get back to this scholarship. It is for master's or PhD degree. If you are a youth with potential, motivation, and a desire to play transformative leadership roles in academic, professional, industrialists, innovators, and entrepreneurs, you are encouraged to apply. So there are four institutions that you can apply to currently. There is the Pan African Institute for Basic Sciences, Technology and Innovation. Unfortunately, this one is currently not admitting new students. Here, it was supposed to be new, not new students. So this university, the first university, is not admitting new students. That means you have three options to consider. The second one is the Pan African University Institute for Life and Earth Sciences in Nigeria. And these are the programs that are available under this institution. You can pick one of these programs and apply. And then the third one is Pan African University Institute for Governance, Humanities and Social Sciences in Cameroon. And these are the master's programs that you can apply for. Then the last one is the Pan African University Institute for Water and Energy Sciences, including climate change in Algeria. And these are the programs that you can apply for. You will notice that this is the only university that has PhD. Other institutions are offering masters only. And then the last university, the fourth university, has a PhD program if you are interested in water, energy, and climate change nexus. Then this will be your institution. These are the admission requirements for master's programs. If you are applying for a master's program, you should not be older than 25 years if you are a male, and then you should not be older than 28 years if you are female. You should, of course, have an undergraduate degree from a recognized university with at least a second class upper division or equivalent in a relevant field. In a relevant field, it means in the field that you are applying for. If you are applying for avian medicine, you should at least have this qualification that is relevant to the avian medicine, as an example. You should have certified copies of your certificates, transcripts from university and high school. So you should pay attention to this. Normally, when you apply, you just submit from university, but in this case, they also need from high school. Your passport or national ID, clear colored passport size photograph, CV, recommendation letter from one of your former lecturers, a name of three preferred university lecturers with email address, WhatsApp number, and this is mandatory. You have to find three referees who are university lecturers, have their email address and their WhatsApp number. You may undergo written or oral examination after pre-selection. If you are selected, you may go under a written or oral examination. Let's see here, it is in red. Candidates for the Master in Conference Interpreting and Translation programs are required to have excellent knowledge of at least two of the African Union official languages. Okay, that is if you choose this master's, then this is talking to you. Admission requirements for PhD. Remember, PhD, there's only one university offering PhD, and these are the areas for PhD. So for PhD, you should not be more than 28 years old for male, or more than 30 years old for female. You should have a master's degree in a relevant field. You also need certificates and transcripts. You need your passport or national ID. You need passport size photograph, your CV, detailed CV. I think it's the same as here, detailed CV. You have no limitation here. That means you have to include all your education, your professional experiences, anything that can add value to your application. Recommendation letters from 2 professors, a, a 3 to 4 page research concept note. Sorry. A 3 to 4 page, meaning your research concept note should have about 3 or 4 pages with tentative title, research questions, objective, significance of the research. If you have a problem coming up with this, please book. I will be happy to assist. The link is there in the video description. And then you need 3 referees. University, this is the same as masters. Should have their email addresses as well as their WhatsApp number. The African Union Commission will offer full scholarship to successful candidates. If you are successful, you will get a fully funded scholarship. Application should be completed online through this link. The deadline is 15 December 2025. If you submit after the deadline, unfortunately, your application will not be considered. All the best with your application.